Hi everyone, myself Vijay. Today I tell about the physical features of India. Physical features of India. So before we know about the physical features of India, just we know about the location and size of the India. Means India located at where on the globe, what is the size of the globe in terms of world, like that. So first we know about the location. Where India located on the globe? India located northern hemisphere of the globe. So globe will be divided into two equal parts. Above the equator is northern hemisphere, below the equator southern hemisphere. So India located on the northern hemisphere. Next latitudes. What is the latitudinal extent of India? 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north. So this is the exact latitudes of India. Next longitudes. So the longitudes of the India are 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. So here, what is the uses of latitudes and longitudes? Latitudes uses is to determine the distance between the two places. Longitudinal. So what is the use of longitudes? So longitude is the use of to determine the time between the two distant places. For example, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. So between these two places, 2 hours gap. 2 hours. Understood? Next, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. So the globe will be divided into two equal parts. So above the equator line is northern hemisphere, below the equator is southern hemisphere. So above the equator, again divided into three parts based upon the temperatures. So this is 23.5 degree latitudes, 66.5 degree latitudes, North Pole. Same like here. 23.5 degree south pole, south, 66.5 degrees. So the 23.5 degree north longitude is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. So the Tropic of Cancer passes through India between the two equal parts. So India will be divided into two equal parts through the Tropic of Cancer passes. Next, islands. So mostly India having two island groups. So on the east side, Bay of Bengal, the island groups are called Andaman Nicobar Islands. On the west side, island groups are called Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. So this is the exact location of India. Next, what is the size of the location? Size of the India. So in terms of area, India having 3.28 million square kilometers. So this area So this area occupies total 2.4% of the total globe. Size. What is the size of India in world? So India having seventh largest. So India is the seventh largest country after the Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. After that, India. So India is the seventh largest country. So boundaries of India. Next, boundaries. So see India. So in India, northwest and northeast and north side. So this area covers with Himalayas. On the east side is Bay of Bengal, west side Arabian Sea, and south side Indian Ocean. This is the boundaries, natural boundaries of India. Himalayas on the northeast and north and northwest side, west side Arabian Sea, east side Bay of Bengal, south side Indian Ocean. This is the natural boundary. Next, land boundary. Land boundary. More than 15,000 kilometers having land boundary and more than 7,560 kilometers coastline. So this is the exact location of location and size of the India. So one more thing. Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is Standard Meridian Time is 82 degrees 30 minutes east line. So this is the here. This line 82 degrees 30 minutes east line is the standard meridian time of India. Next, physical features. Just we discuss about the location and size of India. We know already. So India is a vast country having various landform features. So for example, if you live in a plain area, you see vast stretches of plain land. For example, if you live in hilly areas, mostly you see mountains, rugged areas, rugged terrains, deep valleys. This we see. This you see. So India having almost all major domains of India have almost all major domains on the earth. So what are the domains? Domains is plains, plateaus, deserts, islands, hills. These are the domains on the earth. So India having features of all domain features. Understood? Next. So we know about the rocks already. So rocks are different types. One is very strong rock, that is granite. One that is made up of very hard rocks. Some rocks are very hard. Some rocks are very soft, like soapstone. Some rocks are metamorphic nature. Metamorphic means it changes their characters. For example, marble. Marble is metamorphic rock. So in India, soil also what we say, soil is different from one place to another place, because India having different types of rocks, no? So same like that, India having different types of soils like sandy soils, alluvial soils, red soils, black soils. So soils are the basic outcome of rocks. Soils are the outcome of rock. That's why soils also different. So the upper soil is based upon the rock structure of the inner earth, under the earth. So our geological scientists try to explain more about the try to explain different theories to explain the physical features of the earth. So one of the theory is plate tectonics. So our geological scientists try to explain about the physical features of the earth. So one of the theory is plate tectonic theory. So plates means lithospheric slabs. Tectonics is change. So this lithospheric slabs change from one place to another, means one plate moving from another way. So change. So where change? So changes occur at where? At the boundaries. So generally plate tectonics is nothing but the lithospheric slabs is moving from one place to another place. So at where changes? So the changing place is at the boundaries of the continents or continent or ocean continents. Understood? Plate tectonics. So generally plate tectonics are three types. Plate tectonics are three types. One is convergent plate boundary, next divergent plate boundary, and transform plate boundary. So convergent means two plates will be converged. Is called convergent plate boundary. So for example, this is one plate, this is one plate. Whether it may be a continental plate or whether it may be a oceanic plate. So these two plates will be converged. Is called as convergent plate boundary. So due to this, hard plate will be above the soft plate. For example, see here. So this is the soft plate. This is the hard plate. So this plate will go beneath the hard plate, like here. So due to this convergent, fold mountains are formed. Fold mountains, volcanic eruptions also occurs. Earthquakes will happen. This is the convergent boundary. Divergent boundary means these two plates will be diverged this way. This is a divergent boundary. Due to this divergent boundary, new landforms will be formed. Transform boundary means it will be go opposite direction, or it will be go side direction, like this way. One plate go this direction, one plate go this direction. So again one plate go this direction. This is transform plate boundary. Convergent plate boundary, divergent plate boundary, transform plate boundary. This is the plate tectonic theory. Do you know our one of the oldest landform on the earth is our peninsular plate. So our peninsular plateau is also once a part of Gondwana plate, Gondwana land. So here peninsular plateau is also part of the Gondwana land. Once upon a time, the entire land having one land. So one is the land, another one is the ocean. Land, ocean. So after some before the Carboniferous period, the land will be divided into two parts. This land is Gondwana land. This land is Eurasia or Angara land. Eurasia is nothing but Europe and Asia land. So after some time, the Gondwana land will be divided into different landforms. One is South America, Africa, Australia land, Indian plateau, peninsular plateau land, so Antarctic land. So after that time, during the period of Carboniferous period, peninsular plateau moves northward direction. So the peninsular plateau land moves northward direction and collide with Eurasian plate. So due to this collide, a large landform will be emerged. Also Himalayas also formed. Himalayas is formed due to the collision of Gondwana land of peninsular plateau and Eurasian plateau. This is the result of Himalayas. I hope you understood. So due to this area having rich mineral resources, because of it is formed during the period of it is formed due to the volcanic activity. That's why it having rich mineral resources. So after forming of Himalayas, so many rivers will be carried through the silt and deposited in the places of like this way. So that's why this place is in large, very vast plain region. So this place also using very fertile agricultural land. This is the plain, Ganga plain, Himalayas, coast, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Eastern Plains, Western Plains, desert, islands, Deccan Plateau, Telangana Plateau, Rayalaseema Plateau, Karnataka Plateau, Marwar Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Central Highlands, Garo, Rajmahal Hills. So this is the exact location of Indian physical features. I hope you understood. Thank you. Bye.